good afternoon. It is our first video regarding the subjects accounting of plus 2 commerce and plus 3 commerce students. Before discussing the chapters share capital, we come to the introduction about company. Because the chapter share capital comes from the chapter company accounts. What is company? Company is the very important form of business organizations where a large volume of capitals are required, and it is started by a large number of persons, or otherwise it is the association of persons who are join hand with each other voluntarily and provides their funds to a common stock and employed in some business for profit motives and share these profits as per the provisions. Just like company form of business is the by the people, for the people, of the people, because it is created by people, it is for the benefit of peoples, and it is also ownership of peoples. So it is called as voluntary association of persons. That's why there is no restriction for the membership of the business. But you should remember, a company can be created or registered on two bases. One is public limited company, another is private limited company. Where private limited company, there is some restrictions regarding its membership or ownerships. Whereas in public limited company, there is no limits of maximum number of members. I want to say that we already discussed in preliminary chapters. In private company, minimum number of members required is 2 and maximum is 200. But there is an exceptional. One person company, that is called as OPC, can be formed with a single person. You should remember, but OPC is a private limited company. OPC, one person company. But study point of view, here company can be two types. Registers. One is public limited company, another is private limited company. Public limited company is run with minimum 7 persons. Here person is subscriber, founder member, minimum subscriber or founder member. Whereas in maximum, your public company, minimum member. Public limited, private limited. Minimum member 2, maximum public limited, minimum 7, maximum unlimited. Private limited company, whereas minimum number of member is 2, maximum number of member is 200 members. Here our current chapter share capital concerned with public limited and private limiteds. Before come to the chapters, the company characters we have to discuss. Company is an artificial person created by law, dissolved by only operation of law. Voluntary association of person, that is in public limited company, all limited members, provides capital for the company. Capital is the lifeblood of the company which is required for earning revenue for the company. Without capital, required amount capital company cannot run its activities. As companies has a separate legal entity which is completely separate from its owner who provides capital. Company collects its capital by issue of share. So, we have to discuss what is share and the capital collected by issue of share, sale of share to the public called as share capitals. Company Act 2013 provides the definition about shares. What is share? Share under section 2 subsection 4 of company 2013, share means share in share capital of the company and includes stock, except distinction is made between stock and share, expressed or implied. If clearly discussed, share is the interest of the person in capital of the company measured in terms of money. What is capital? Capital is the total money, funds collected by company from its shareholder in sale of share, that is share capitals. Here, capitals are determined at the time of registration of company and they are stated in memorandum of association of company under capital clauses. That's about share capital. But present chapter is concerned with how capital collected from public. Before discussing it, we clear about that a private company cannot issue share to public, but a public company can issue share to the public. It means a private company cannot raise fund by issue of share. Share is the documents which is issued by public as way by means to collect capital, which has equal denomination, equal value. Total capitals of the company, capital of the company divided into small parts, which are equal parts. Total capitals say that is divided into small equal parts. That is 1 lakh. Each has nominal value. Say equal value. It is a share. It is pen and paper and it is issued in form of certificate. Determined in pen and papers. Not it is a physically goods. It is movable property, transferable from one person to another persons. For example, capital of company is 1 lakh. They are determined in capital of company is 1 lakh. They are determined in capital clauses of the memorandum of association, which is called as authorized capital, beyond which company cannot collect capital from the public by nominal capital or registered capital. Here, capital is rupees 1 lakh. That is determined by stated in memorandum of association capital clauses. Here, company board of directors decide how this amount of capital will be collected from public. That's why company here total capital is 1 lakh. The board of directors determine how many share. Here 10 each, then number of share issue is equal to 1 lakh by rupees 10 is equal to 10,000 shares. It means company has 10,000 shares to issue public at rupees 10 per share. Here per share rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10. Here total share is 10,000 units. 10,000 share at the rate of 10 each will be 1 lakh. And these shares are issued to public. It is our introduction. Then we come to study in the next video how company collect this capital by sale of share and how share is sold, what are the legal provisions and accounting treatments. Okay, bye.